Pepeto token, PEPETO, and Pepeto price prediction. Pepeto is a new meme coin project that aims to bring real utility to the meme token space via a cross-chain bridge and a lucrative staking program. It's built on Ethereum with a total supply of 420 trillion tokens, mirroring the supply of the famous Pepe coin but at a much lower initial price. In this guide, we'll explain everything you need to know about Pepeto and show you exactly how to buy Pepeto during its recently launched eco. Pepeto is a meme coin built on the Ethereum network that describes itself as the god of frogs. This catchy storyline has already caught huge investor attention. Plus, rumors about a connection to the Pepe team are fueling more hype. The project offers real technology via a cross-chain bridge and the Pepeto exchange. Buyers who join early will also get a staking AP of over 450% at press time. This rate will decrease as more investors join the staking pool. The recently launched pre-sale of its native Pepeto token aims to raise around $15 million through all stages. It has already raised over $3 million relatively quickly after witnessing high investor traction. You can buy Pepeto using ETH, BNB, USDT, or even card payments. It's worth noting that the Pepeto token is priced at just $0.000000101 at the time of writing. However, this rate will keep increasing throughout the pre-sale stages. How to buy Pepeto, PEPETO, step-by-step walkthrough. Here's a quick 4-step guide to buying PEPETO. Step 1. Set up your crypto wallet. Before you can buy Pepeto, you need a crypto wallet that supports ERC20 tokens. A popular choice that's free to use is the Best Wallet. You can download Wallet by searching Best Wallet on Google Play or the Apple App Store. Best Wallet is a secure, self-custodial crypto wallet that supports thousands of tokens. To create or import a wallet, open the app and tap Create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to set up a password and back up your seed phrase. You can also enable biometrics for faster access, like switching on Face ID. Step 2. Fund your wallet with crypto. You'll need ETH, BNB, or USDT to swap for PEPETO. If you don't currently hold any crypto, you can buy directly via wallet using card. Some wallets, like Best Wallet, have a built-in feature to buy crypto with Visa or MasterCard. You can simply open the wallet's Buy option, choose the crypto you want, e.g., ETH or USDT, and follow the instructions to pay by card or other available methods, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. Exchange route. If you're using any wallet other than Best Wallet, you can buy ETH or USDT on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance and then withdraw those funds to your wallet. Step 3. Connect to the Pepeto presale. Once you have adequate crypto, go to the official Pepeto presale website. Make sure it's a legitimate site. You'll see a Buy PEPETO or Connect Wallet button. Then, confirm the prompt in your wallet to connect to the Pepeto presale interface. Connect Best Wallet to Pepeto presale. Step 4. Buy Pepeto tokens. On the Pepeto presale buying widget, you will see fields to enter how much ETH, BNB, or USDT you want to spend. You'll also see the current presale rate of $0.000000101. This price rises as stages progress. Simply mention how much ETH or BNB, USDT, you want to swap. The interface will automatically show how many Pepeto you will receive. Gas fees are usually paid in ETH, so ensure you have enough ETH to cover the transaction cost. Then, you can click Buy to approve the transaction in your wallet. Step 5. Stake Pepeto for extra rewards, optional. Pepeto offers 459% staking rewards during the presale, which can significantly boost your potential earnings. If you decide to stake, on the presale interface, you can choose to stake immediately after buying by selecting the Buy and Stake for XX Rewards button. When to unstake, typically, you can unstake once the presale ends. Join the official Pepeto Telegram group or follow it on X for claim dates and updates. What is Pepeto? Pepeto is a meme coin with bridge technology that seamlessly moves assets between blockchains. The lock and mint mechanism ensures security by locking the original tokens and minting an equivalent on the target chain. Once Pepeto's exchange goes live, Pepeto token holders can list meme coins with zero fees. This will give smaller projects a strong incentive to join and fuel adoption. With a total supply of 420 trillion tokens, Pepeto mirrors Pepe's supply. Even modest investments could deliver huge gains if Pepeto's price ever approaches Pepe's peak. Although, given the crypto market's volatility, this also involves higher risk. Pepeto token homepage. The platform has reserved 30% of its total supply for staking. That's a large number of tokens, which will provide long-term incentives for holders who stake. Please note that the staking rewards will be distributed over 2 years. Here's a detailed breakdown of how the remaining tokens are distributed. Pre-sale allocation, 30% of total supply. Staking allocation, 30%. Marketing, 20%. Project development, 7.5%. Liquidity, 12.5%. According to the project's roadmap, Pepeto is launching a widespread marketing campaign. Combined with memes, rumors of a Pepe team member's involvement, and an engaging storyline, many speculate the hype could drive Pepeto to be the next crypto to explode. Is Pepeto a good buy? Pepeto wants to cater to the growing meme coin market, which recently exceeded the $100 billion mark. Meme coins are notorious for explosive growth when they catch on with the broader crypto community. Pepeto aims to position itself as more than just a meme by offering bridging, a dedicated exchange, and staking. The project sets itself apart with an engaging backstory. It's the God of Frogs, returning to surpass Pepe. While it may sound whimsical, narratives drive meme coin communities. We've witnessed how these engaging meme narratives have previously fueled tokens to multi-billion-dollar valuations. Rather than just riding hype, Pepeto plans to offer real solutions, bridging blockchains, zero-fee listing, and an exchange specifically for meme coins. If they deliver on these features, Pepeto could become one of the most high-potential cryptos and attract users who want a cheaper way to buy and trade meme tokens across multiple chains. Pepeto price prediction, what to consider. Since the pre-sale price is a fraction of a cent, some investors see a chance for life-changing gains if Pepeto becomes as well known as Pepe. But Pepeto is still a relatively new project and his team is yet to deliver on its roadmap. So, it's important to check Pepeto price predictions and research thoroughly before making any buying decisions. While predicting specific price targets is speculative, we can compare Pepeto to other successful meme coins. Pepe reached a market cap of over $8 billion at the time of writing. With the same total supply, if Pepeto were to match Pepe's valuation at its peak, a $1,000 investment at Pepeto's pre-sale price could theoretically approach $100,000. However, investors should also consider downside risk because massive returns in crypto rely on high demand and actual product launches that keep the community engaged.